Alright guys, we're back at the creek. We're exploring a new creek today. We're gonna go micro fishing. We've never been here, so hopefully we can find some water to fish at. Dude, no way. What is it, robin or bluegill?
No, green sunfish.
Green?
Dude, that looks sick. Dude, it's so good.
God. Let's go, dude. I got one.
It's PW?
Maybe.
Sun coming out.
Ooh, that's small. Dude, no way. No way. Yes. I saw him come out. He came out from under that rock. Comment what species this is.
What is it?
I don't know. I think it might be. I think it's a green.
Just a premature?
Yeah. Alright, first spot was a success. We're about to set a minnow trap.
I'll do it right here, next to these branches. Yeah.
Alright.
No, don't throw it, you idiot. Alright.
Alright, minnow trap number 1 is set. We're about to go to the next spot.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
No way. Dude, this might be my smallest. Oh, he choked it. These things are long.
Exactly.
This thing looks like a bass, it's so long. It's because it's so skinny. Got one. Dude, it's tiny. Oh, never mind. That's the frog. Got him. Yes.
No, how many snowbait come off? Freaking got caught in a stick. What a stick.
That's a prettier one. Oh my gosh.
Oh my dude.
Is that a fish?
Massive. Oh,
That was a fish?
that was massive.
Sounded like you just fell in. I just caught a fat one, dude. That's a fat one. That ain't tiny.
That's nice.
I just caught my biggest one in that little puddle.
I caught my smallest one right there. This one.
Gosh, this thing has a huge mouth.
And of course, the smallest one choked it.
This thing has a huge mouth. I can lip it with room. Gosh! Got another one right there. And it's also big.
Dude, you're right. At least if it rains too hard, we can always just get in the tunnels. Fish out of the tunnel.
Dude, what? Gosh, these things have the biggest mouth ever. Second minnow trap is going in. I'm just gonna chuck it out in the middle. out a little bit deeper. There we go. Then I got the rope. I'm just going to tie it on this tree. And the minnow trap is ready to go. And we're about to go back because it's about to start raining. Alright, we made it back safe. This is the end of the video. Successful day. And we're going to check the minnow traps tomorrow, so look forward to that video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.